right? How long do you think you have been sitting? Just a guess. No, nothing called right or wrong. I'm just asking you to just guess. I couldn't hear your voice now. 10 minutes? Okay. For you, sir? No, I couldn't hear you. I think you're...
Four.
No, I didn't get you. 4 minutes?
4 minutes.
4 minutes? How about you? No, just guess.
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay. Good. Now you can look at the clock. How long, roughly? Maybe initially we had about 5-10 minutes talk, let's say. 6 o'clock you started. Assume that we have taken 10 minutes for initial instructions. 6:10 we would have started. What is the time now? 7 o'clock. So how many minutes? 15 minutes? Correct? It's 7 o'clock now. And imagine all three of you were sitting so stable, without any jerks, without any movements. As I mentioned, sir was not even just moving. Except one time, some movement like leg change was there. Okay, otherwise, you have been just sitting so calm and peacefully. Now first let me listen to you individually and then I'll share what made you to be like this. You can start. Maybe each one of you have to come a little closer to the mic and talk so that your voice is very clear. But you can share each and every of your experience. How was this experience of this meditation?
I was very tired before the meditation. I didn't get proper sleep. Now I feel a little energized. I have an exam after this. I don't have to go back to sleep again.
Fantastic. Okay. But during this process, this is the end result you are saying as a whole. During this process, your visualization and the way I have given you the guiding voice and all, how was you were able to relate?
Very peaceful and relaxing.
You're able to travel with me without any...
I was struggling, like I kept deviating, my mind kept deviating.
Okay.
But then later on...
So you brought back to the track and then you are able to travel with me. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. Ma'am?
I was able to concentrate.
Okay.
Third சக்கராக்கு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு டிவியேட் ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. மெயின்லி எனக்கு கால்ல கொஞ்சம் அந்த வலி வரோன்னு எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் அந்த இதுல எனக்கு கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன் போக ஆரம்பிச்சிருது. ஒரு தடவை பொசிஷன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்ப வரும்போது again I am able to get into it.
Super.
Last two chakra I was கொஞ்சம் நல்லதா இருந்தது. Again when we went out, அதுல கொஞ்சம் again I was அந்த கான்சென்ட்ரேஷன் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் வேரி ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிருது.
Okay. Anyways, as a whole, how do you find now? Relaxing இருக்கு. Okay. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Now, sir, it's your turn. I know you will be so elaborate. That is why you have taken a last.
பயங்கர ஹாலோவா இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது, but I got lost, sir.
Okay.
I don't know where I got.
Okay.
I was there in different places. இது ஒரு பயங்கர ஒரு வேற எனர்ஜி ஃபீல்.
Okay.
Different experience.
அதுதான். Okay. That means you are not able to express.
Open ஆன மாதிரி இருந்தது. அந்த இடத்துல I never concentrated.
Okay.
Never in my life I concentrated at this point. இந்த இடத்துல ஓபனா இருந்தது.
Okay.
Up here this one. Then I got lost. I went இங்கனே தெரியல.
Okay. No, that's a real experience. அதாவது என்னன்னா ஒரு வேர்டு உண்டு, கண்டவர் விண்டிலர் விண்டவர் கண்டிலர் அப்படின்னு. கண்டவர் விண்டிலர்னா நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களால சொல்ல முடியாத மாதிரி ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸுக்கு போயிடுவீங்க. It's very simple. Every cell of your body has this component of atom, electron, proton, neutron. That's it. Scientifically, you are connecting every cell of your body to the resonance of the space. That's all.
I'm surprised on the time. எவ்வளவு நிமிஷம் சொன்னீங்க உட்கார்ந்தோம்னா?
Now 50 minutes now.
50?
6 o'clock we have started. 6 o'clock we have started. Roughly about 6:10 we would have started this program because I have not taken much time for explanation today, as you know. 10 minutes. 6:10 we have started this and we have finished at 7. You have been sitting for 50 minutes effortlessly and you felt it's only 4 minutes. And madam maybe felt about 5 minutes, you said, ma'am? 1-5. And Ritvika said it's 30 minutes. I think you are only close. Less than the number, they're losing themselves to the universe is bigger. I would say that way. Because your conscious is with the time, that means you are with your own consciousness. When you expand yourself, you lose the whole time and space. There is no past, there is no future, there is no present. You just merge with the existence. There is no discrimination of yourself with outside. So when you detach your attention from one place to other, from you withdraw the attention, the pain happens here is not a pain anymore. There may be pain, strain here, but the moment you either pay attention, pour more energy there, the pain vanishes, or divert the energy, divert the attention from here to somewhere else, then this goes out of your perception. That means still your pain can be avoided. You got no? Either pay more attention, more energy, or no attention also, there will not be any pain. That's how this happens. This is yet another very nice experience for me too. So now you can share the whole experience. How was the whole entire set of this thing? How did you enjoy? And if you have any specific doubts, you can ask me now.
எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் சார் மெயினா காலையில ஏந்திட்டு ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஒரு இப்ப இது வந்துட்டு ஏந்திக்கணும் காலையில. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் a good experience. நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். ஐ வில் நாட் சே நான் ரொம்ப இதுக்கு எனக்கு நிறைய டைவர்ஷன் இருந்தது, இன்னும் அந்த சீரியஸ்னஸ் வரல. ஐ திங்க் வித் ரெகுலர் ப்ராக்டிஸ் அது கொஞ்சம் அந்த இது கொண்டு வந்துடும்.
கண்டிப்பா. ஏன்னா வந்து we are only trying to impart the techniques. இதே வந்து முழு ப்ராக்டிஸ் நமக்கு சொல்லிக்க முடியாது. பட் இந்த கிளாரிட்டி கிடைச்சிருக்கா, அதுதான் எனக்கு முக்கியம். உங்களுக்கு வந்து இன்னும் டவுட்டு, நான் சொன்ன எல்லா விஷயங்களையும் உங்களுக்கு தெளிவா ரொம்ப கிளியரான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் உள்வாங்கிருக்கீங்களா, புரிஞ்சிருக்கா? That's what is very important for.
Bits and pieces எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியுது. இப்ப எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு flow மாதிரி இப்ப.
Correct. That's why, because individually I've been training each and every chakra. Now today there's a consolidation, a completeness today. Now when I ask you to take attention to one particular area, you know what is the area, where it is located, what is the property, what is the color, what is the associated organs, all these things you are already aware. So when you are very close today, the whole thing, and you will be matching with everything. Very good. Yeah, thank you. And Ritika, a few words.
My Tamil is not very strong, so you
No, Tamil வேண்டாம், இங்கிலீஷ்லயே சொல்லுங்க.
explained it in a very nice manner which I could also understand. When you were sending the audios, I had a little tough time understanding. This time I was able to connect with you more. But same, like getting up, I'm someone who stays up till 4 instead of getting up at 4. So this was a new experience.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for your inputs. And for all three of you, please do practice this meticulously on every day. Initially the interest comes and then you start doing with aggressively, the patterns will be there. And over a period of time, naturally you tend to pay attention somewhere else, and then slowly this will dip down. But give priority to this. Why? Because giving more priority to this aspect of your life can give you more time and effort for the other things. How you gain more extra time Now, though you got up by 4:30, or maybe you are at the session by 4:30, you would have at least got up by 4 o'clock or 4:15 at the barest minimum, right? Half an hour at least before. What happens? And how you have been able to compensate this? Just because the way you are relating yourself gives you more energy. So more energy, you feel so fresh. Correct. You don't have to go back to sleep now. And you can start working with, as you rightly said, though you slept late and you are not able to sleep very well, now you are feeling so rejuvenated. That means you are energized. This practice can give you more energy as good as your sleep, deep sleep. And not only that, with so much of awareness, the clarity of dimension of thinking, concentration, memory, everything will open up. The 1,000 dimensions here means 1,000 has so many ways, means you would not have reached that much. So the power of our mind, on average, people say about 4 to 5% only has been reached. The brilliant, the most brilliant minds have reached only about 4 to 5% of our real strength of our mind. That means there are a lot to be explored, and those are having this 1,000 plus dimensions. Okay, when you keep working, at least we can try to reach it 4-5% in our life. Then we become so brilliant, and we are the record winners of the whole life. So thank you so much for joining and giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge, whatever has been given to me from the space, from the universe. I was able to share to you. So thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and please do practice continuously, and never ever hesitate to reach me out for any doubt at any point of time. Regardless of your time and effort, I will try to give my best. Please stay connected, and thank you so much once again. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.